Hello, you forgot your Samsung phone password and you want to reset. It only took you 2 minutes to watch the whole video and be successful. This is my Samsung phone and I will guide you to reset it when you forget your password. First, you use a USB cable connect between your computer and your Samsung phone. Now you are interested in the buttons on the side of the phone. They include a power button and 2 volume controls. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons to turn off the phone. After turning off the power, press and hold the power button and volume up button to boot into recovery mode. You wait a while for the phone to boot into recovery mode. Next, you use the volume button to go to wipe data factory reset. Please note that all data on your phone will be deleted. You use the power button to apply the selection. Factory data reset. Now your Samsung phone has been factory reset. Next, you set up your Samsung phone for the first boot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.